are we gonna name him?
Well, it could be a him or a her. We don't know if it's a boy or a girl.
Maybe a girl.
Maybe a girl? Would you like a little sister? What would you name her?
I don't know yet.
You don't know yet? Would you like a baby brother?
I don't have a brother.
Would you like a baby brother?
Well, Jeremiah is my friend.
Yeah. Would you like a little brother?
Hello. I don't. Oh.
You don't know. Would you like a little sister?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chloe, would you like to have a baby brother or baby sister? Yeah. And you think it should be color?
Delicious. Pink Delicious.
You want it to be named Pink Delicious? That's a great name.